Welcome to the Black Mountain Quarry, also known as Herbert's Quarry. It's 3 miles north of Brecon and 8 miles south of Llangadog. There are plenty of laybys and small parking areas along the A4069 to stop on, but the main 2 car parks for access to the quarry are here and here. Once you arrive at the main car parks, you can follow the numbered markers that guide you all the way to the top of the quarry.
So this quarry was a major contributor to the lime industry in Wales. The lime would have been fed at the top of the kiln, along with coal from Brecon, heated to 900 degrees, and then the quicklime would be collected at the bottom here.
Because of the shaping of the land by quarry workers and from harsh weathers at this altitude, it is recommended to watch your footing when hiking and running, and appropriate footwear will be needed.
A unique element of this place are these 2-foot deposits, chemical reactions between lime and rainwater that causes these red and yellow sandy areas that you would normally see in underground caves.
Lime played an integral role in improving the farmlands by reducing the acidity in the soil, which meant greater crop yields for farmers.
It's also a great way of disposing dead bodies by dissolving them like acid. But don't ask me how I know that.
Thanks to the Calc Preservation Project, these kilns and ruins have been repaired and maintained so that visitors can learn about Wales's industrial history.
You can even tune into an accompanying audio guide on the Calc website. I'll leave a link for that down below.
During the 19th century, this quarry was one of many involved across West Wales in a series of protests against paying tolls to use the roads, which were owned by businessmen. These protesters were tenant farmers who disguised themselves in their wives' petticoats and tore down all of the gates.
If you want to know a more detailed history about the Rebecca riots, there's an information plaque right at the top of the quarry.
This quarry is full of history and wondrous landscapes, but the most stunning and timeless feature about this place is this view of beautiful rural Wales. Thanks for watching.